Hi, my name is Kimani and welcome to my channel. I created this channel to document my journey on becoming a web developer, a self-taught web developer. And I do know how hard it is to become a self-taught developer, especially being a Jamaican on top of that and wanting to become a web developer in the US, right? Self-taught at that with no bachelor's degree or a coding bootcamp. And I do know that would be a hard journey, but I believe that if I'm able to do that or pull it off, whatever slim chances there is of me doing this, then that should give you guys motivation to just take the initiative. If you have to teach yourself, then you can teach yourself. You don't need to get a bachelor's degree. You don't need to get a certificate from a boot camp. There are other options and free options out there. I will be taking advantage of as much of these free options as possible, and I'll be documenting my journey while I do so. Now, I started coding back in December, on the 20th of December exactly, right? And I started off with HTML and CSS, which is basically a precursor to JavaScript if it is that you want to get into web development, which I do. So I chose to do HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for my first languages. Of course, once I finish this up, I'll go into other languages because I want to learn as much as possible. But right now, those would be my starting languages. This is my first video, which I'll be doing this weekly to document my weekly progress through these resources. The resources I've chosen to use are the Odin Project, Free Code Camp, and tutorials on YouTube. Now, again, the reason I started, I'm basically doing a weekly update, and this would technically be my first week, is because I actually started the Odin Project 1 week ago, right? On December 20th, I started a tutorial by a channel called Super Simply Dev on HTML and CSS, right? So I got that, got the wheel rolling from back in December, but the Odin Project, Free Code Camp, I started 1 week ago, which is why this is technically my first week, and this is technically my first weekly update video, right? Now, so far it's been going good. I started the 100 Days of Code Challenge, so every day I'll tweet my progress, how I'm feeling, and what day it is. So if you were to check out my my Twitter, which I'll have linked below, you'll see where I've made those posts already, and I'm trying to stay as committed to this journey as possible. As it relates to Free Code Camp, I've gone through the responsive design aspect of a certificate. I'm about 75% complete. I've done the cat app, creating a cat app photo gallery. I've also done markers and a form, right? With Super Simply Dev, that's a tutorial I found on YouTube on HTML and CSS. We're basically doing a clone of the YouTube webpage, YouTube homepage, right? So far, it's been going good. I think grasping a lot of the concepts that are being taught, and hopefully it continues this way into learning JavaScript. Now, the time frame I put on this was 1 year. So I started JavaScript technically on December 20th. Well, not JavaScript, but HTML and CSS on December 20th. And my goal is to become as proficient as possible in HTML and CSS by the end of March. February, March, thereabouts. Then I'll start JavaScript for the next 9 months, right? At the tail end of those 9 months, I'll start building my projects, start applying for jobs, starting January 1 of next year. Now, I do know this will be a rough journey. I'm nervous right now. A lot of stuff is happening internally that's really making it really hard for me to stay committed or to feel confident in myself. Like, you know, the typical imposter syndrome. Like, will I be able to do it? Why would I be able to do it? Like, stuff like that, right? And I know I want it, and I know the journey to that end goal will be a long one and a hard one at that. And I want to stay, and I want to keep going, right? Which is one of the main reasons I'm creating this channel, to keep myself or to hold myself accountable, right? So every week I plan on uploading a video just detailing my progress, how far I've gone, how I'm feeling, right? And hopefully I'm able to stick to this weekly video schedule. And well, not hopefully, I'll definitely do my best, and I definitely will stick to the schedule. And hopefully you guys are able to come along with me. For those out there that are thinking about starting this journey as well as a self-taught programmer, you can definitely follow along with me. You could use the resources that I'm using, which I'll link below as well, or you could even find your own resources. But I just think the tech field is a very exciting field to be in. I love the like just watching movies and seeing a lot of these YouTube videos on coding, and it got me excited to want to do this, right? Just to get to that level that I see, even though obviously on movies or TV shows they might it might not be completely accurate, right? But still I like the whole vibe of just being a coder, being able to create stuff online, right? And that is my end goal. That is the ultimate goal for me. And I'm really hoping that I'm able to make it, and I'm able to complete this journey. And hopefully you guys are able to come along with me, and just watch my journey, and hopefully it inspires you guys to start your own. I know I'm rambling right now. I'm very nervous, if you can tell. This is the first for me. I'm not used to being in front of a camera, so that will take some getting used to. But hopefully over time I get better. I'm able to provide better quality content videos, which for now I'm using my phone right now. So I know the quality may not be the best right now, but I'm hoping that in the future I'm able to learn as well, to create and edit great videos to post for you guys, so you guys have a great experience watching my videos. So guys, thanks again for checking my video out. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell just to get those weekly videos once they drop. And hopefully you guys enjoy my content. I'll do my best to provide quality educational content, because that's my aim. And hopefully you guys are able to appreciate me appreciating you by providing you this, providing you with my journey. And hopefully you guys are able to come along with me, and pray pray for me while I go on this journey, guys. Thanks you so much for watching the video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and thanks again. I'll see you next week.